CBD affects different people in different ways, and there are many different factors that can impact how long it takes for CBD oil to work. If you're here for some research before you take CBD, or you're already taking CBD and you're wondering why the heck it isn't working like you expected it to, we have some answers to those questions. Before we get started, we have some free resources about CBD that will help you long after this video is over. You can find them in the links below, along with links to our other videos for you to check out. Now let's get started. Let's look at the 4 factors that can determine the effectiveness of CBD for you: body weight, metabolism, frequency of use, and consistency. For obvious reasons, a 45-year-old 200-pound man should not have the same dose as a 110-pound 22-year-old woman. A lower weight requires a lower effective dose. Metabolism, which is how quickly the body runs its inner processes, will not be the same for all people. It can depend on the health or medications of the individual, their diet, or even the time of year. We know that CBD takes time to build in the system, which makes frequency and consistency 2 more factors. If I take CBD in the morning, hopefully, whenever I happen to remember, it will not build up very quickly. However, if I take CBD twice daily and set an alarm so I never miss a dose, that will build up quickly. We also need to consider the method of delivery. Will the CBD be an edible, an oil, smoked, or a skin product? If you are looking to relieve pain, the 2 fastest options are to rub the CBD directly on the area or to smoke the CBD. When CBD is eaten in an edible, it must be digested and passed through the liver before going to work, which can take several hours. CBD oil, held under the tongue for a sublingual delivery, can get to work quickly in approximately 15 minutes. When you're shopping for CBD, always look for the source. Select full spectrum whenever possible, and always from medicinal grade plants. In Canada, CBD is only legal in dispensaries, but if you buy it elsewhere, please follow the same rules. We hope this video has answered some of your questions about CBD. If you'd like more information, don't forget to download those resources down below before you click out of the video. We also have a Facebook group where you can connect with others who are also passionate and knowledgeable about CBD. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop us a line in the comments section and we'll make sure to connect with you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to this channel.